Okay, welcome back. On to question 2, which, like in grade 1, is this kind of compose a rhythm type of question, which is fun because, there's, again, no exact right answer here, but there's lots of wrong answers. So when it's asking you to do stuff, you have to write a rhythm that's the right length, for example, and it helps if you can kind of continue on some of the rhythmic elements, some of the rhythmic feel from the bit that you're given, the extract at the start of the question. So the first thing to think in your head, probably again, you can't make this noise out loud, but this does sound like this. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, quite a simple rhythm. It's got that triplet thing in it, which is quite interesting. That is, of course, where we play 3/8 notes in the space of 2. And so I think we should make the triplet like an important feature of this rhythm because, it's unusual. It's not so common to find something like this. So let's see what we might do in the next bar. We had ba, 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 ba. So maybe we should answer that with ba, 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 ba. Something very simple. It's not really that different, but it does develop the rhythm a little bit. We get a couple of new figures, so we'll make that a crotchet, another triplet here, and I'm just going to put in some normal quavers because I always like the sound of moving from triplet quavers to normal quavers. So instead of having ba 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 ba, we move between those two. So we go from fitting 3 notes into the space of a beat to fitting 2 notes into the space of the beat, and I think that's a really nice rhythm to play with. So I'm going to do this, I think, for my second bar, and then in my third bar, I reckon I will do even more. Let's just go absolute to town on the triplets. Why not? As long as we can fit the notes that we play into our 4/4 bar, it really, is up to us how we choose to write this rhythm. I really like triplets, so let's go with those. And of course, that will add up to each triplet will add up to 1 beat. So we need to fill in two more beats. So let's go with some quarter notes, and that gives us 4 beats because that adds up to a beat. Those 3 notes, those 3 notes add up to a beat, and then there's a beat there and a beat there. So those added together give us 4 beats and a whole bar altogether. And then we just need to finish the thing off. So we've got so far ba 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 ba. I'm gonna go ba 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 ba, I think. So using the triplets again. I'm going to finish on a half note or a minim to just give the thing a sense of completion so that the thing is done and finished. And alongside things we're finished with is question 2, so I will see you in question 3.